And like that, we're done.
I'm loving it so far.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your guy, Cash the Cool Dad, and y'all see what's behind me, man. Today is that full video on that trim, that verses that y'all been waiting on. So if y'all not waiting, or if y'all are waiting, let's groove, baby. So here we go, YouTube. Excuse the watermarks. It was just raining. As you can see, it's real gloomy outside. Remember, on the driver's side, we did Stone Car Care. And this is how Stone Car Care is holding up. Y'all can see that. It's faded right here, though. No kizzy. Excuse me. But to the eye, it still give you that dark look. But on camera, you can see it's a little faded. It's not too faded, though. Look at that. That look good. This here faded again. And it's been about a month, probably. Look at that. Side skirts are still holding up nice. Side skirts are holding up nice. I'm not gonna even cap to you. The side skirts, shout out to them Yeezy slides. Them side skirts are holding nice. Look at them legs. Side skirts are holding up nice. Side mirror holding up nice right here. This here, I could do another coat, so I'm gonna probably do another coat. No, I will do another coat when I wash it and come through with you guys with this water spot removal on these glass. Shout out to Stoner Car Care for that as well. I'm gonna do a versus. I'm gonna do Stoner Car Care on the front, and there's the driver side yet again, and I'm gonna do Mag Shine on the rear and the passenger side. So it's another versus Cash got for y'all, since y'all love these versus videos. And now let's go to the side everybody been complaining about, everybody been asking me about, Black Rhino. Again, here to the naked eye, you can see the darkness, but on camera it look faded. So I'm perfectly fine with that. So up here, I think I have to do a harder or stronger trim restore because of the heat that comes from here. That's the only thing I could think about, because this here is faded like that. And look, Stoner Car Care, it's still black here, and bam, it's still black at the bottom. And again, guys, I'm not looking for all my products to be hydrophobic. However, Black Rhino on this side definitely sheets water real fast. And I'm not gonna lie, Stoner Car Care on that side actually repels the water faster. So if you're looking for something that repels, that's user friendly, I'm going Stoner Car Care Hybrid Ceramic Trim Restore. And if you want something that's just a sheeter, because you know everybody likes sheeters or beaters. If you're a beater, Stoner. If you're a sheeter, Black Rhino. And this black still look good. So here it is. This is Cash real thoughts, man. I'm not sugarcoating nothing. I'm not doing none of that. They both are 8s in my opinion. I give it a 9 when you first do it because it look real good. But as it sit, it still look good. But because this faded, I take away a full point from each side. So I'm gonna give both of them a 9. I'm gonna give both of them a 9 because I'm starting at a 10. Give both of them a 9 because this is taking off. And then I'm gonna do a half a point for each one. So we're gonna go sit at an 8.5. And that's only because if you want a sheeter, Black Rhino. If you want a beater, that. So I'm only doing half a points for that because that is a preference. That isn't something that's gonna make or break a product. That's preference. And you gotta understand, your preference isn't the world's preference. That's your preference. So again, both are certified golds, man. I love both companies. I have a connect with both companies, man. And both companies are doing awesome jobs, awesome stuff. And Cash just gonna say it like that, bro. So everybody that's hounding me for my review, here it is. This is the unapologetic review from Cash, the cool dad himself. And again, up here on both, I think I'm gonna need a higher grade for this. So I have another trim restore that I'm gonna be testing just on this here section. So instead of a double, this is gonna be a three-way. This is gonna be a tray-way. You dig? A three-way, whatever y'all want to call it. What they used to call those matches in WWE? Handicap match. This is gonna be a handicap match. So then we're gonna have Black Rhino. We're gonna have unknown trim. I'm not telling you guys yet until it get here. And it's gonna be Stoner Car Care. So without further ado, man, this is a go. If y'all need it, holla at me. I got y'all. You got me. It's your boy Cash the Cool Dad saying, stay groovy. How y'all stay grooving? Cause I'm a groove and move. I'm a hump and thump, and I'm gonna do what I have to do. It's your boy Cash, man. Peace. So of course y'all had to see this pretty face before y'all left. So without further ado, man, it's your guy Cash the Cool Dad. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Appreciate each and every one of y'all, like my dude Papa Smurf say, but that's really love. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I appreciate Papa Smurf. I appreciate Mr. AB, because those guys really take their time out and make sure mentally, physically, spiritually, I'm recharged, and I do the same thing for them. So that's my guys. That's my time. Y'all know what it is. Peace.